Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to convert TikTok Paylater into cash. Now, first thing you should do is to download TikTok on your phone, and once you download it, you have to open the application, log in into your account. Then you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right corner right here. Then go click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Just tap on it, and here you will find balance. If you cannot find it here, you can simply go to settings and privacy, and you will find balance option right here. But here in my case, I will go back, then click on these three lines on the top right corner, then click on balance right here. Once you click on balance, you will have this page. You can simply click on not now, then it will show this page. Now you should choose live rewards. Just tap on this one right here, live rewards, tap on it. Then after that, will show you your available balance. You can simply click on withdraw. Then they'll ask you to enter your payment method or enter your credit card, your bank account, etc. And you will be able to withdraw them in cash. And that's all for today's video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.